Meaning of definitive.
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 Definitive. The term definitive refers to something that is conclusive or final in nature. It denotes the highest level of certainty or authority on a particular matter, indicating that there is no room for doubt or debate. A definitive result means that it is the ultimate and conclusive outcome of a process, leaving no further room for further analysis or interpretation. Essentially, it serves as the final word on a given subject, providing the most accurate and reliable answer possible based on all available evidence or information.